Okay, we're up to question 5, and again, your calculator will support you, but won't do too much for you. You've got two functions here. The function f is a quadratic, and g is some sort of linear graph, and c is a real number. Remember, that's what that means. It says find the range of f. Okay, so how could you go about doing this? Number one, you could turn this into vertex form. Just do it. Take a common factor of 6 out of these first two, and away you go. Once it's in vertex form, the vertex will help you work it out. If you can't see that, then it might be worth graphing it. So I'd probably just go to add a new page and just literally just type it in. 6x squared minus 12x plus 1. There we go. So we've actually got a vertex down here. And so when it says find the range, we know that range means the outputs, the y values. So I can then go into menu, analyze graph minimum, because I can see it's a minimum, and do that. There we go. We've got 1 comma minus 5.02. So that's the minimum for this graph, and we can therefore say that the range is minus 5.02 to infinity. So we can do that in the interval notation, or we can do it as x greater than or equal to negative 5.02, and that's the range of f. So it does say find it, so that you should put a little bit more than just a calculation, so that's the answer in. I'd probably do a little graph and draw the graph in. You can say from GDC if you like, therefore, and then go the y is a member of blah, 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 like we're used to. Oh, this says something different from what I've got. Did I stuff up? Up we go. Well, that's weird. I must have accidentally moved the graph and it's done weird things to it. So rather than start the video again, I'll just quickly fix it. I think I actually did. I moved the line by mistake. So I'm going to leave this in the video so you can see that these sorts of mistakes happen. Press return. Oh, there you go. Now the turning point is 1 comma minus 5. I did think it looked a bit weird. So there you go. So the domain is, the range, is y greater than or equal to negative 5. You could use interval notation. That would be fine as well. Okay, so given that g composed with f of x is less than or equal to 0 for all of x, member of the real numbers, determine the set of possible values for c. So again, if you want a proper solution, I'm happy to record one, but this is just about calculator usage, so I just wanted to show you very quickly. You are using the idea of a composed function here, and then you're either relating it to the range or attempting to or use the discriminant or something in order to work that out. So the methods are here. You've got access to this mark scheme so you can look at it yourself or ask me to actually go through it. But this is basic calculator work here, scientific calculator work. I just wanted to mention that you could graph it to get a visual on what's happening with the range here. Okay, that'll do for this video. I'll do question 6 next.